Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into the HyperEVM Tour with Meow Samma, or Meow Samma, however that's pronounced, on Superboard. This is a curated campaign from Superboard and dive into HyperEVM. There's $3,000 worth of USDC plus super points available for grabs. So we will dive into this semi-month-long campaign. This is a 2-month-long, I think August, September, and there will be, I don't know if there's more quests than 13, but we'll go through these a little bit at a time, and yeah, multi-part journey. But before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Like I was saying, the 3K in USDC plus the super points going to be earned during this, so get in here. Also, if you need help navigating this, all the socials are down, links are down below. I have a Discord. You can catch me on Twitter, the BCR142. The Discord is great. I have a testnet page in there and all kinds of campaigns and stuff that we talk about. So if you need help, jump in there. Also, I co-host a show called DeFi, Crypto, and Airdrops every Monday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. So check us out. We're doing Billions Network tonight. So a lot of cool stuff. And yeah, the host, veteran for crypto, great DeFi mind, awesome dude. And check us out at the_only_DCA. So catch us, DeFi Crypto Airdrop. We're crushing it. Got a lot of great alpha, and let's get into it. So part one, we're gonna just dive in. Mint your campaign pass. So remember, this is mainnet, it's not testnet stuff, so keep that in mind. We will be bridging over, but yeah, mint your campaign pass on NFTs. To me, shouldn't cost too much. Then, okay, it's on base. Never mind. So this is on the base network. So about $2 worth. Oh, oops. I was wondering what that sound was. I apologize for that mess right there. So before I was rudely interrupted by that music, we're going to mint the campaign pass, and it looks like it's about $2 and some change. Let's see. I think it was $2 something. So mint your campaign pass if you're able to. And that is on the base network, so you don't need to worry about bridging into HyperEVM yet. Okay, join their Telegram and complete. Next up, we're gonna bridge via relay. So now that we have the campaign pass, we can start crushing it. Hold the campaign pass and then bridge any asset from any chain to Hype on HyperEVM via relay. So I think I will move some from Katana. Okay, I'm going to move some Ethereum over to Hype. I'll just do half because I don't know how much we're gonna need. Actually, I'll do that because I don't know how much I'm gonna need. You can find out at the end of this video how much we will need, I guess. Because I don't know if some of them are going to require a certain amount. So there you go. We got some Hype. Let's confirm this. All right, claimed, done. HyperEVM Tour, we will swap. Next up, swap via HyperSwap. Swapping on the HyperSwap. Okay, hold the campaign pass, and we will swap any asset of your choice on HyperSwap. So what do we want to swap for? Let's go there, skip. Let's connect our wallet. Give me the Rabby. Sign in to verify. Okay, now, let's see, what do we want to swap for? Okay, since we already have some of this USDE OFT 0.001, let's just swap for a little bit of that. And so any asset, damn, the fee, 22 cents for a fee? Ooh, all right, let's verify this. That's painful. Damn, son. Ooh. 22 cents for your gas fee, Hype? Come on. What are we doing here? Are we going back to Ethereum? I mean, I didn't know that. Shit. No. Ooh, now we get to swap on Kittenswap. So this is a decentralized exchange powered by the V33 model. Think of Aerodrome, think of Black Hole. Oh, Kittenswap will be transitioning to a new DEX code base. Emissions have been paused and will resume after the transition. So they're transitioning, huh? They got the trans DEX. Let's see. Swap any asset. See, we're gonna wrap some hype. Let's just do this swap right here. Oh, okay. So 2 cents. I wonder if this HyperSwap was just hyper shit. Okay. Now we've done this Kittenswap. And they have DeFi pools right here that you can earn on. Maybe it didn't go through yet. Let's try this. Let's just swap into this USDE again. Let's see what the gas fees are. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. So, why isn't this working? This should be going, but okay, approve. Now swap. I just want to swap some assets, man. Okay, this is not working properly. Huh. Well, it looks like this one is crashed right now. So we're gonna have to skip this one and move on to the next one. So Project X is what it looks like is the next one on our list. And yeah, oh, don't forget the loops right here. Project X. So we've done 3 and we'll do a couple more. Okay, swapped on Project X. Hold the campaign pass, yes. Now we can swap on Project X. Let's make sure that, oh, why is that zoomed in on my face like that? That's weird. Somebody trying to look at my boogers all up in my nose. All right, bada bing, bada boom. Let's check this, we'll swap. I don't think the wrap type is worth that much. No, 13 cents, let's unwrap. Let's see if this counts for a transaction. It should. All right. Nope. Seems like it doesn't like that one. Let's go for the USDE again. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, God. Huh. Oh, I think my mom just tried to FaceTime me. I was like, my phone just lit up and I was like, that's weird. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it doesn't like the wrapped asset, so do something like a USDE pair to swap with, and you will be good to go. All right. Now, what is the next one? Nope, Kittenswap. We already tried that one. Ooh, okay. So 3, 6. Let's see here. So we've done 3, 4. Yeah, Hyperliquid names, we can do that one. And let's see if there's any other ones we want to do. Ooh, okay. All right, we'll mint our Hyperliquid name. And we will also do our Zora one. And then the rest of those we can do in part 2 as the DeFi, So these, we're gonna collect these NFTs. So, oh, and the NFT and the Hyperliquid name, so your domain name. Mint your Hyperliquid name. Oh, I guess you don't even have to do it. So if you want to do it, go for it. I'm not sure how much it is, but I'll do it anyways. Okay, so it is quite a lot. So if you don't want to do it, I guess, yeah, you can skip it. I know that is quite a lot. $40, $43 for a domain name. A lot pricier than Ethereum. Okay, now we will finish up with our collect, enter into HyperEVM on Zora. You don't even have to collect that one either, but we're gonna check it out. Zora's been pumping, it's been getting a lot of hype, and we are here for it. So let's see. Gonna connect our other wallet. Let me sign in, and we're just gonna buy one of these right here. 50 cents, right? Although the gas fees, man, are killer. The gas fees are ridiculous. 50 cents, bro. Oh, what are we doing? Hyper EVM. What are we doing, bro? You gotta be kidding me. Well, $1 to mint one of these. Well, shit. That's interesting. So just beware of the gas fees on Hyper EVM. For some reason, they are incredibly ridiculous. So let's see how our progress is going so far. 35%, beautiful. So the rest of these are, depositing, lending, staking. The rest of those are DeFi stuff. And the swap on Kittenswap, we can do that later. But there you go. The HyperEVM Tour. Just beware the fees for gas, be quite high. But if you do need any help navigating this, please hit the links below and reach out. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful